booze. Everybody asks me, I don't know how you do that all day. I just love it. Just had a passion for science and math and learned a lot about how to do it. Okay, temperature's right at 74 degrees. It's one thing about this is that there's a lot of measuring and all along the way. We're going to have rum right off the bat. Within the next 5 months or so, we're going to roll out our corn whiskey, probably a white and a dark, just like the rum. Then we're also going to put out pretty soon, within the next month or two, we're going to have grappa. And then we're going to be using half our rum batches are going to be going towards gin. We've been doing some taste testing and it's very good, so that's something else we're going to have. And absinthe is something that we're working on. It is rare to be able to go in and see a still running. That's one thing I like. It's just unique. People can come in, and if I'm not running the still, I'm happy to bring them in and give them a tour anytime I'm here. That's the deal right there.